This is February 5th, maybe, 2017. We've gotten about over 60 inches of snow since Friday, and this is Monday. I always got my truck, it out. Got all the snow off of it. We're gonna try to get out, but we don't know for sure. Look at my stairs. Yeah, we don't know because the roads, people are getting stuck on all the side streets. And this is Cripe. This is Loban's Jeep. You can see from here to here, that's how much snow has accumulated. And this is the Impala. You can't see it, but that's the Impala. This is Ben. He's sunbathing. That's his truck. It looks like a motorhome. This is our trash can. You can't even see it. It's buried. This is Lil Ben's blue car that he came up in Friday. It's buried. Bacon having a heyday with Yellow P. Yellow snow, I mean. Making yellow snow everywhere. And yeah, that's Rayanne's little Jimmy. And pray for my roof, please. And this is the road, as you can see. Yikes. It's a one-way traffic. These are the neighbors' cars. I don't know what they're gonna do with all this snow. Where's it gonna go? Four-wheel drives are getting around. This took about 2 hours just to clear it from here to the road. So I'm gonna try to walk over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, over here is like, this is like over my knee deep. That's over knee deep, and this hasn't been, like, this isn't snow that's been shoveled here. This is just accumulation. As you can see, this is accumulation. It's almost waist deep. See? I'm almost waist deep in just snow accumulation, not like drifts or anything like that. February 2017. Yeah, I went over here. It was waist deep. There was an air pocket over there when I stepped in. Oh, I went up to my chest. I just went in like that. I was panicked. Bacon!
They can just leave.
One more thing. I cleared this porch off completely yesterday. Completely cleared it off. You could see the steps all the way up. And now look at it. That was all cleared off yesterday. Ah, jeez. Winter Wonderland. Okay, signing off.